Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another amazing, super spectacular episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it was, and whose box it come out of. But first, let's get uncanny with a can of Canadian Carling. 4.9%. Nice. Wonderful. Today's box is a cardboard box. It's black, mostly black, with white letters and symbols. It measures 13 inches by 8 inches by 5 inches and weighs about 13 pounds. When you shake it, it sounds like this. Interesting. And it looks like this. Laker Ice. Proudly brewed in Ontario. 15 cans. Wow. Look at that, eh? Wonderful packaging, isn't it? It's such a nice box. It'd be a shame to open a box like that. Like, leave it in all its glory, I say. Nah, fuck it. Let's open it and see if there's actually Laker Ice inside it. I hope so. I'd be very disappointed if it wasn't. Nice box, eh? Should we open it from the end? No. Ding ding. Listen, get some asthma. Unboxing asthma. Nice! Look at that. Beautiful cans of Laker Ice. 5.5%, bitches. Nice. Wasn't that an amazing unboxing? Should we take them all out of the box so you can see the empty box? No. I think not. From the people that brought you Beer is Good. Laker. But the Laker is warm and still in the box. That's why we have the Carling. Woo! Fuck yeah! Until the next great unboxing adventure. Cheers, big ears! Woo! RTFO, mofos. Rock the fuck on, bitches. Fuck, that's good. Woo!